Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you want to create an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for logistics business? Then this video is just for you. If you have a logistic company and you are managing WhatsApp queries resolution manually or hiring an entire team to resolve queries that you receive on WhatsApp, you are wasting your money and time. The WhatsApp bot that you can see on the screen is created without need of any coding, technical and programming skills using the software Pabbly that is going to resolve the queries that you receive on WhatsApp 24/7 without hiring anyone. This bot can handle and reply to all the queries that is received on WhatsApp. Let me show you how. So this is my WhatsApp chatbot for my logistics business that I've created. I will ask my first question towards this bot, that is how much it will cost to ship a 20 kg packet. So over here, this is my question towards this bot. This bot is going to analyze my query, frame the answer accordingly and send the reply back to me. You can see I've received the reply. Shipping cost depends on these factors: distance, weight, dimensions, delivery speed, insurance selection and service type. You can see right over here, this is the reply that I have received right here. This is the entire reply. Okay, now I have a different question towards this bot, that is what are your shipping charges? Okay, so this is my next question I'm asking towards this bot. Let's see now what's the answer I will receive from this AI assistant towards this question. I've received an instant reply. Shipping charges are based on these things. Available shipping options are 3 to 5 days, 1 to 2 days. You can see I've received this entire reply. So can you see how this bot has replied to the queries I have? These are the most asked questions I've received from my customers on daily basis, and the bot is going to frame the answer in the easiest way possible and reply back towards the customer. So this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to reply to the queries, and in this video I will show you how you can create this assistant without need of any technical, coding and programming skills through Pabbly Chatflow, which is a software I'm using for years now, and I've created multiple AI assistant and WhatsApp chatbots using this software without facing any issues and errors. So let's dive into the creation of this AI assistant without wasting any more of our time. In order to access Pabbly Chatflow, you need to search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to this landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, you don't have an account with us, sign up for free from here. As you're signing up for the first time, you will receive 100 free credits every month. Using the credits, right now you can test and create this AI assistant for your logistics business. And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow, you want to get more credits to create such amazing AI assistant and handle your WhatsApp queries that you receive with the help of this bot, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans. So these are few of the plans that we have currently, and you can see we already have discounts on these plans. But if you want additional discounts and if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, you can simply use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, using which you will get more discounts on the purchase of our yearly and lifetime deals. Okay, so I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account and I'm on the dashboard. After logging in, if you want to learn how you can set up your entire Pabbly Chatflow account by adding your WhatsApp number, learning about the features one by one, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below. Now, next, to create an AI assistant, go towards this AI assistant section and go towards this add assistant option. Now we have to name our assistant first. So for the name of the assistant, I'm going to name the assistant according to my business right here, that is Swift Cargo Logistics. Okay, I'm going to add this assistant from here. You will see an assistant is created. 4 sections are mentioned in front of you. Complete all the sections, the entire creation will be done. It's very simple. Select the instruction type, for which I'll select AI agent. You can select other instruction type accordingly. According to the type, if you want to edit, eliminate or add in any of the instructions in this section, you can do that according to your requirement as well. I'm going to leave that because I don't require. Next is temperature, which is the range from 0 to 1. 0 being focused replies, 1 being creative replies. I want the replies from this assistant towards my customer in middle, creative as well as focused. So I will select 0.5. AI to use, currently we have the option of OpenAI only, so I will select OpenAI. Next, you have to select the model with the help of which the AI will generate the replies. I will use 5.4, GPT 5.4. Okay. Next, you have to enter the API key. For that, go towards this hyperlink. You will come to the API key section of OpenAI account. Generate the new key from here. Name the key whatever you want. I'm going to name it right here. Select the details, select the project, give permissions as all and create the key. After creating the key, copy this key right over here, paste it down in the field and click on this connect button. The connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow is going to be created. Remember, you should have a paid OpenAI account to create this assistant. Then only assistant is going to give the replies. Now, if you want header messages, footer messages, add in stop keywords or add in retry attempt, toggle the button on from this section. Last is fallback message. This message is only going to be forwarded in case this API key is not responding correctly. Okay. Now, as now the first section setup is done, let's move on to our next very important section, that is knowledge source. Now, this is my business, Swift Cargo Logistics. I have to train my assistant on this business. That is my business. These are the policies. These are the services of my logistics business, type of services that I provide. So we have to create an entire document on this. We have to create entire document where you're explaining about your business, its overviews, its policies, all the replies, everything is mentioned in this document right here. Create your own document. Now, if you want to learn how you can create the perfect structured knowledge base for your business, you can check out the workflow link in the description section where you can create the best AI assistant knowledge base ever possible. Okay, so I've created one. I'm going to upload it from this section, add the file from here. I've already done that, so I will insert the file in this AI assistant. Okay. After adding the knowledge base, you will see the knowledge base in the knowledge sources section with the vector ID. That means this knowledge base is added. Okay. Next is assistant interface. So now if you want to add this assistant on your website, if you have your own logistics website, and usually you can see now in all the websites on the left bottom corner, there is always a support bot added. So you can also add a support bot just like this on your website. For that, if you want to edit any of the things, like I want to add my brand name in the section. My brand name is what? Swift Cargo Logistics. So I'm going to go back and add my brand name right here. You can see it's edited. If you want to edit this line, message, edit powered by Pabbly and the footer link, you can do all of that from this section right here. Lastly, in the section is users first message. So let's suppose you receive a lot of messages from the user end towards the bot. So what is the usual message you receive? You have to enter it in the user's first message section. Last is styling. Now, what is styling? Now, if you have your own business, you will have your own branding, your own colors, backgrounds, pictures that signifies your business. You can add in all the details in that section as well from the section, like the colors, theme, shape, background, profile picture, everything. Okay. So now, as I have added in all the details, simply toggle this button on and save the assistant from here, and the assistant for your logistics company is going to be created. So now, as this assistant is activated, if you want to add it in your website, go to embedded, copy the script, paste it down on your website code. Assistant will be added just like this on your website as well. Now, I want to test this assistant. I will ask my last question towards this bot, that is, I want to schedule a pickup. So this is my last message I'm forwarding towards this assistant. So to see that how am I receiving the reply, you can see it says please provide pickup address, package weight and preferred pickup date. So I have received the reply right here successfully. Now, as I've received the reply successfully, this means my assistant is created successfully as well. Now, if you want, this assistant that you've created should be automatically enabled to all the new contacts or the existing contacts who are sending you the messages on their chat. The assistant should be automatically enabled. In that case, go to settings option and inbox settings section. Scroll down till the end. Go towards this AI auto reply settings. Enable this button on. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this assistant to, and select the assistant that you want to assign. Now, save this rule from here to all the contacts this assistant will be automatically assigned on their chats. Now, if you want to individually assign the assistant to the chats, simply open the chat from here, toggle this choose assistant button on and select the assistant from this section towards this chat. This assistant is automatically enabled. Now, this is how you create an assistant without need of any coding, technical or programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow for your logistic company as well. Go ahead, create the bot right away and automate your WhatsApp conversations 24/7 resolve query solution. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.